Okay, I have an extremely cool effect to share with you today that to my knowledge has never been seen before. Okay, so I have ace through 10 of hearts. You could use any of the four suits. Okay, so we'll go ahead and gather those. Now why don't we mix the cards a little bit here. So I'm going to begin dealing the cards into piles until you tell me to stop. Okay, so I'll begin dealing. Stop there. Okay. Stop there. Okay, very good. Stop just there. Stop there. Final card here. Now you need to know that I did not choose the size of these piles. The spectator is truly free to decide how many cards are dealt out into each pile before you move on to the next. Okay, so that's really important. Because when you get to the end of this routine, you're going to think I somehow must have manipulated or influenced the process. I want to assure you that I did not. In fact, this whole routine, when you go to do it, if you want to see what's going on, perform it with the cards face up and you'll quickly begin to see how it's working. And it's really quite remarkable. Okay, so these piles are genuinely decided by the spectator. I'll just go ahead and stack them, okay? And now at this point, what we're going to do is I'm going to perform a shadowy shuffle. Now this is optional. You can do this or not do this. But really what you should make sure you do is have the spectator randomly cut the cards at any location and complete the cut. Okay, that's super important. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to look at the value of the top card, and I'm going to move one card to the bottom for the quantity shown on the card. So let me just show you. So that's a 3. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, and now I'm going to discard 2 cards. Okay, not just one, a pair of cards. Okay, from here I can shadowy shuffle it, or most importantly, have you randomly cut to a new location. Just like that. We'll take a look at the new top card. Looks like it's a 7. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Set down the next pair, just like that. I'll shadowy shuffle it, or at least you can. Spectator, have them randomly cut it at any location. Complete the cut. Reveal the new top card. Oh, it's a 6. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set down the next pair, just like that. Shadowy shuffle, which is hard to do when there's only 4 cards. Have the spectator come in here and randomly cut the cards wherever they would like. A new top card comes to the top. Looks like it's a 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Set aside the next pair. And we're left with a final pair. I'll set it right there. So just to emphasize, all of the choices that I gave you as the spectator are genuine choices, and I did not control in any way the particular choices that were made. So when there are free choice offered, it truly is a free choice. Okay? And so all we're going to do here is we're just simply going to pick up the piles, and that's the order in which we set them to the table. And then we're going to do this final dealing to the table into different size piles decided by you. Okay, so let's just do that one more time. I'll keep dealing. Stop there. Okay. Stop there. Okay, what am I here? Stop there. And there. Okay, very good. And we'll just pick them up. Similar way that we did before. Okay. Now, I think you would have to agree that the final state of the cards, given the random choices that you made along the way, that I, as the performer, could not have possibly anticipated, the ordering of the cards really would have to be in an unknown state. But believe it or not, I know exactly the order of the cards, and I'll reveal the fact that I do know the ordering of the cards, okay? Because the top card is an ace. The second card is a 2, then a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Absolutely amazing. Okay, well, that's a fact that I believe has never been shown before. Mathematically speaking, it's extremely simple, but hopefully you got a feel for the seeming impossibility of what it is we've just done here. So if you want to see how it's working, as I mentioned, just perform all of the steps that I showed you with the cards face up. And you'll quickly be able to puzzle out, okay, I can see why things are working the way that they are at each and every step. Okay, so this is a real keeper because you can do this anytime, anywhere with a borrowed deck of cards. Okay, and the steps are not too difficult to remember because you're doing the same 2 or 3 actions over and over again. So there's not a lot to remember in terms of a procedural process. So thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.